Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am standing beside a road which is called Metropath in our Bengali language, and it is very beautiful. You can say there are many field and many lands besides this road, and it is very beautiful. And that's not a fact. The fact is, from today I will start my English speaking journey by making videos. So please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and support me to speak in English fluently, because I have no one to speak in English with him or her. So I have decided to speak in English by making videos, and I wanna be fluent in English speaking. So I hope you will be beside me and you will help me to be fluent in English speaking. So that's all for today and for this video. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.